Hello guys, good morning. My name is Reph and I'm taking this beautiful pickup down south. There's not much traffic here, and on a long road trip, what I usually do is I take pit stops to ensure that the car is in full working order. I try to make efficient pit stops because you don't really know where the next pit stop might be. So I'll show you guys how I do it. First on my list is to fuel up, and lalo na kung walang pila, this would be a good start because in the time that you're fueling up, you have about a good 1 or 2 minutes to check out all the other aspects to ensure that you have a good road trip. So while you're at it, this would also be a good time to have your windshield cleaned and your engine oil checked to ensure that your engine is healthy and your view is clear for the long road trip. But there aren't enough trash cans on the road, so this would also be a good opportunity to take out any trash that you have in the car, whether it's tissue paper, receipts, water bottles, and this is also ensure that you have a safe and clean driving environment. So after fueling up, make sure you check your tire pressure or PSI to also ensure a smooth ride. For a pickup like this, it's usually 35 PSI. And if you're traveling with friends, make sure to ask them to go to the restroom while you're making sure that the car is in full working order. After checking out the tire PSI, make sure to go to the bathroom as well because kahit kaya mo pa, it's probably a good idea to go because hindi mo alam kung kailan ang next restroom break. Aside for gas for our cars, syempre we also need fuel for ourselves. Luckily, if you're in a hurry, there's Jollibee drive-thru. So the first Jollibee drive-thru dual lane is actually here in Petron S-Lex southbound. Imagine, twice the efficiency, twice the speed. So never go hungry on a long road trip. O nga pala guys, if you guys have time to rest, this would be the perfect time to enjoy Jollibee's Level Up Joy Store where they have self-ordering kiosks and wireless charging pads para ready ka sa biyahe mo. So check that out if you guys can. Remember that you should take care of your car the same way you take care of yourself because it's not just a machine, it's your partner in getting to your destination. So here's to full tanks, happy bellies, traffic-less highways, and really, really beautiful days. Safe travels to you guys and take care.